Hi everybody, how are you guys all doing? I hope that you guys are all doing amazing today. My name is Tracey and I am out here in Southern California at Highlands Giving Garden. We are a community garden out here in the city of Highland, California, and today is going to be a short video, but I wanted to share with you what I am planting today. So I have a packet of sweet corn Silver Queen hybrid right there. These are what I am going to start today. And these were donated to us by the Lowe's in Redlands, California, so the next town over. And so I'm going to go ahead and get these seeds started because it looks like by the back of this packet that I can actually start in March. And so since it's March, I'm going to go ahead and start planting these seeds. So when you look on the back of the Ferry-Morse packet of seeds, you look at your zone, and in my zone here, we are in the orange zone. So when you look at the orange area right over here, the guide, it says that you can actually plant these seeds from March until August. So what I am planning to do is I am going to plant the seeds in these little containers, and then we will be transplanting them into the garden beds once we are ready to have them planted. So for right now, our beds are being weeded out. We are also dealing with some gophers, so I'm going to have to do some repairs on these. I also have some seeds starting over here with some basil, and then we have some green beans right here that I have already started. So we are off to a really great start, and I'm really excited for this new upcoming season that is coming up this spring. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get these seeds planted. So let me go ahead and put my camera down in a position to where I could actually plant these Silver Queen hybrid sweet corn seeds. All right, so now that the seeds are done being planted into each one of the cells, now what I need to do is I need to tag, which I have these little tags here. They're plastic. I got them on Amazon. I will try to find where I got these because I was able to get a pretty big package with a lot of these little labels. So we do not belong to any kind of affiliate program or anything. So if you click the link down below, it will take you down to where these little plastic tags are at. Now, as far as the writing utensil, a lot of times gardeners that will make tags, they will use a pen or a marker or something to try to keep the ink on. The one marker that I have been able to find that has stayed on, tried and true on these labels, and they have not faded, it is a marker from Staedtler Lumocolor. It's a permanent garden marker. Let me see if I can get that on there. Hopefully it focuses in. I can't really see, my vision is so bad, but hopefully you're able to see that on the marker. And I highly recommend, again, I will link this down in the description down below. And I hope that if you are looking for a marker that will stay on to your plastic tag, this is the one. I have been using this for 3 years now, and the marker is just as vibrant of the black ink as it was from the first day that I got it. So, and I've been doing a lot of labels. So right now I have 6, 7, 8. I have 8 labels that I am going to create, so then I can put one label inside of each one of the 6 packs. So let me go ahead and get to work on that now. Okay, so we determined that there were a total of 8 packs of 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so I'm going to put the rest of those tags away, and I am going to write on my labels now. Okay, so the way that I mark on my labels is these packs of seeds are from Ferry-Morse. Again, donated to us by Lowe's in Redlands. So what I do is on my tag, I put FM for Ferry-Morse, and then I put a dash and then sweet corn. Okay, and then from there, what I do is I will then turn the tag around. I will put today's date, and see, look at, there's like no smearing on that. I just wrote it and there's literally no smearing. So that's how great these markers are. Okay, so what is today's date? I think it's the 9th. So I'm gonna put 3/9, and then I will put the type of corn that it is. So Silver Queen Hybrid. So Silver Queen Hybrid. Okay, so this is what my tag will look like. Ferry-Morse, sweet corn, the date in which I planted the seed, and then it says Silver Queen Hybrid. Okay, so I'm going to do that 7 more times, so bear with me as I finish up with these last 7. Okay, so that finishes up with the labels. Now let's go ahead and put them into the containers. Okay, so all of the packets are now all labeled, as you can see there. all with the tags with the dates showing in the front. So then when I am looking at the packets, I know how far along they are from the time that I planted the seeds inside of each one of the 6-pack packets. Okay, so now I have the seed packets where I want them here at the garden until they start sprouting. And now I need to start watering them so then they get a nice fresh drink of water to get their roots going. So anyways, everybody, that is it for the day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I know it wasn't a very long video today. I've only spent about an hour out here at the garden, but I gotta say it was pretty productive, being that I was able to plant these sweet corn seeds, and we are now gearing up to plant them in their designated area when the time is ready. So I'm really excited about this growing season. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, click that like button. And if you like the content on this channel here at our community garden, then please take the time to subscribe. That way, whenever we upload a new video to this channel, then you will be given a notification. So anyways, everybody, thank you so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, see you in the next video. Bye.